How to generate leads for cold calling from Yellow Pages with PhantomBuster. Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna be walking you through a method to generate leads from Yellow Pages and extract them with PhantomBuster and import them into a spreadsheet. So let's get started. As you can see, I'm in yellowpages.com, and for this video I'm gonna search dentists in New York, and here as you can see the leads have been generated. So let's copy the link and head to PhantomBuster, and for this we're gonna be using titled Yellow Pages Search Export, and here we're gonna paste the link and hit save. Here you can put whatever number you want, hit save, again hit save, and here hit launch. Now it's running and it's done now. Let's download the leads. Right click, go to inspect, here go to network, and here search CSV. So after that, let's refresh the page. Here it is. Double click on it and it's downloading. Now it's done. So now let's head to spreadsheet. Let's import it, upload, browse. Let's select the leads, open. Now here we're gonna select append to current sheet. Now hit import. Now here as you can see, the leads have been imported. Now here that we have got the leads and the numbers, and there are duplicates numbers. To remove the duplicates, we're gonna use Google Apps script and a code something like this. So don't worry about the code, I'm gonna provide the code in the description. So here in spreadsheet ID, we're gonna put the spreadsheet ID. Head to spreadsheet, and here is the spreadsheet ID. Copy and paste it here, and after that here number column, phone number column is the column number 8. Now hit run. Now it's done. So here it is. Now let's remove the rows that don't have phone numbers. Control A, hit filter, and here we're gonna hit clear and select blanks and hit OK. And here we're gonna select them and delete them. And here the leads are ready. Now you are ready to generate leads effortlessly. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips like this. See you next time.